In this video we're going to have a look at how to create a branching database. The software we're going to use is the J2 Data software. The J2 site is, some of it's paid, but there's lots of it which is free. If you do a Google search for J2 Data, you get to this bit, and then if you go into here you can see that the middle thing here is branching database. So I'm going to click on branching database, and then when I get to the site I'm just going to use a blank template. You can use the pictures if you want. I'm just going to use a blank one, and I'm going to make mine around animals. You've got different choices over here. I'm going to use animals. So what I'm going to do is first of all drag on the animals that I want to put in my branching database. I'm going to use a lion, I'm going to use an anteater, I'm going to use a bird. You can search down a bit further for more. I'm going to use a monkey, and you can search down even further, and I'll use a frog. So I've got 5 animals in my branching database. What I need to do now is ask questions to sort them into the different categories. So if I go down on the right to sort, and then I'm going to put in the question. So if my first question could be, do you live in the jungle? And then what you do is you drag the ones that do into the thumbs up and the ones that don't into the thumbs down. I'm just going to assume this is a normal frog, not a tree frog or anything. Monkey, yes, does. A bird, no, it doesn't. An anteater does in mine, and the lion's going to, I know it's not specifically a jungle animal, but it is king of the jungle, so I'm going to put it in there. Then I'm going to press OK, and it's going to ask me to separate these. So for this one, I'm going to say, do you eat ants? And again, no, the lion doesn't. Yes, the anteater does, and this monkey doesn't. Okay. Next one, can you fly? And again, we can separate these. Yes, the bird can, and no, the frog can't. Press OK. And then finally, do you swing in trees? And yes, the monkey does, and no, the lion doesn't. Press OK, and there you have your branching database created. From there you can print it. You can print it to a PDF. What you can also do is you can play the game. So what you do to play the game, you choose an animal. We're going to choose the lion, and then you go through and see how it works. Do you live in a jungle? Yes. Do you eat ants? No. Do you swing in trees? No. Is that the right one? Yes. And you can see how it got there. This links beautifully into selection for computing, but it also can be used in things like music and science, where you're separating and categorizing different things. So that is J2's branching database.